The face of marketing have been changed since 2020. Still nobody can say confidently what the future of marketing will look like. This video on emerging trends in marketing management provides insight into some of the possibilities that can position marketing management strategically. Let us move on to the current trends. Here are the 8 major emerging trends which will be further discussed briefly. For sure, these trends are focusing on a more diverse and inclusive connection with real customers. As technology is moving at a greater pace with digitalization and automation, these trends try to make marketing more humane in nature. Let us go through each trends further. Task automation are simple applications, performing repetitive and structured tasks to provide some help to customers during basic interactions. Even though this can take the customer down a decision tree, they can't discern customers' intent to offer customized responses, or learn from the interactions over time. On the other hand, machine learning are algorithms trained using large quantities of data to make complex predictions and decisions. These are used in recommendation engines and sales propensity models. These 2 types of intelligences are used in 2 different modes as discussed further. Standalone applications are demarcated, isolated programs, separate from the primary channels. These are used only to understand the customer preferences. Meanwhile, an integrated application is embedded within the existing systems and often less visible to the marketplace. When standalone task automation programs conduct basic marketing, integrated machine learning applications are more advanced and works in broader platforms. We all know that conversation is a key component of any marketing process. But turning a conversation into successful marketing strategy is made possible by the 4 key components of conversational marketing. Ability to start, continue, and finish the conversation when it's convenient for the customer adds value to the sales and marketing. Minimizing the steps between you and your customer is one of the best practices in marketing. The same applies to conversation too. A more simpler way for a customer to reach out and get back to you increases the chances of success. Circumstantial context brings continuity, personalization, and convenience in business deals. Conversational context is all about collecting, storing, and accessing customer data, including past orders and complaints. More data means better service. Capacity to scale is a must, since customers don't care about your business. Business automation is nowadays possible with affordable no-code technologies and chatbots without having an army of human agents. Video marketing is simply explained as using videos to promote or market your brand, product, or service. 4 basic things are needed to have a successful video marketing strategy. First one is to create buyer personas based on demographics and psychographics, to get insight into your audience's personality and characteristics. Discover specific information about where your ideal customer works, their office title, their functions, etc. Videos are to be crafted for each stage of customer journey to engage the viewers all through the sales funnel. Top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel video contents are the minimum requirement. As any systems, video marketing strategy also requires both qualitative and quantitative KPIs. Even social media comments and likes can be used to measure brand engagement and influence. A plan to promote the videos is the final step. Search engine optimization is one of the main factors to be considered in developing a video marketing strategy. Influencer marketing identifies people who have a strong influence on brand's market or target audience. Once identified, a partnership is formed when influencer agrees to expose their audience to the brand's contents. 5 major components are briefed as follows. Set smart goals to ensure movement of ideas from one influencer type to another. Set a predetermined return on investment with KPIs to fit into the budget. Finding influencers who are naturally fit for brand is the next step. Influencers with some degree of expertise in the subject matter, validated by a wide network, will be a perfect fit. As this is a person-to-person exercise, engage with influencers continuously. The brand also has to add value to their efforts since the brand's credibility is also being considered by influencers. 3 types of strategies are to be formulated in influencer marketing. They are earned influencer, paid influencer, and owned influencer strategies. Right influencer for right goals are to be selected. Finally, measure the impact early and often. Once the key analytics shows what is working and what not, steer your efforts towards what is effective. Treating the customers like individuals is the objective of personalized marketing. Consumers always want the brand to know what they likes and prefer. They want to be communicated in a way that sets them apart from the crowd. A personalized marketing strategy with the following key ingredients makes this possible. First step is customer data collection. In all further interactions, try to get to know the customer better. Plan a personalized strategy after analysis of the data available. Before you send any offer to the customer, understand their behaviors. After data collection and analysis, comes the delivery of personalized contents to the customers. This may include a product recommendation or an individualized incentive. Voice search is voice recognition technology that allows customers to perform searches in a more conversational manner. A marketing strategy which duplicates the voice-generated queries efficiently will rank higher in the competition. Optimizing the voice search by identifying the question people normally ask is the first step. These are done by digital marketing tools aligned with your keyword strategy. Mapping questions to the buyer's journey involves content creation to answer customers' queries at different stages. Answers should provide solutions to their pain points. Prepare for the voice-first strategy as an extension of mobile-first strategy currently in place. Searchers demand quick results and voice search rewards the websites a higher ranking. This is the most casual tone of marketing strategy. Real connections and laid-back interactions are what social media stories looks for. The 5 important features of this marketing mode is discussed here. Even though social media stories are temporary, what it actually does is developing scarcity factor that force the audience to tune in right away to see the content. Social media stories are shared and viewed in the moment, enables to viewers to have a real-time experience. To know what is happening right now, make them feel like VIPs in the crowd. The casual form of stories feels more authentic, and that's what young customers need. A real, intimate and different way of knowing the brand brings success. Adding human elements into the stories make you relatable and approachable. Customer feel like having a relationship with the brand, and thus, trust factor increases. Stories are much cooler version of marketing because of the enjoyable engagement it provides. With the fun way, customers learn about the brand in an easy digestive way with easy contents. Content marketing is all about conducting keyword searches and content auditing. To have a successful content marketing strategy, let us look into the 4 major components. Viral content are nothing but articles used to drive the visitors to your website, who are searching for themes matching to your business or brand. Even though these content doesn't drive direct sales, they serve as backlinks to your article. Thought leadership contents offers a unique perspective of your experience in the industry. These positions you as an expert or a leader in your market segment. Now comes the sales content, which converts leads into customers. These well-constructed resources provide answers to difficult questions of your customers. Pillar content offers a broad perspective of the subject matter. Each facets of the subject matter will be further converted into their own full-length articles on a later stage. Thank you to be with us in the journey of emerging trends in marketing management. A well-formulated marketing strategy is key to a successful business. Hope you can start rethinking about your marketing strategies now, with the insight of this video. Once again, thanks a lot, and goodbye until next video.